Hello, I am Alberto Cervantes Rodriguez. I am the creator of the ERP technology and the business database technology that is used strongly worldwide by SAP and Oracle. SAP and Oracle sold my technology at the Mexican oil company Pemex with the help of the Bush and the Cortaris, initially to bankrupt all the Mexican government companies, but today they want to bankrupt the United States as well as their partners, a lot of Indian origin IT companies registered in Texas with the help of the Bush to do this accounting and fiscal fraud to destroy the United States and all the clients. As I told you before in previous programs, the data and the process are totally incorrect because they didn't follow industrial engineering and no science and technology than we used to have more than 20 years ago. After 9/11, something happens, and we are using a Indian Babylonian black box with the accumulation of all this secret knowledge worldwide instead of using science and technology. Because of that, we cannot increase the productivity, the efficiency, and the effectiveness. As well as I told you previously, and because of that, most of the presidents, including Obama, as well as all the CEOs, are considered right now like satanic, diabolic, criminals, psychopaths, and even homosexual because of the use of these reptilian implants added to the MK Ultra that make them be homosexuals as well as puppets of the elites. So they even can control the basic necessities than pee and poo. So you can imagine the situation. And the Indian origin IT consultants, they are working closely with these you Christian Illuminati and infiltrate corporate and government to destroy us. Today we are going to talk about how these Indian origin IT consultants are running the business of IT in the United States since practically 9/11. As I told you before in previous programs, something is happening with the United States IT and accounting area that had been infiltrated by these Indian origin IT consultants, mainly to make us poor, unemployed, okay, and basically to continue with this accounting and fiscal fraud until they bankrupt totally the United States. So they have done it this almost for 20 years since I created technology at the Mexican oil company Pemex. So basically the advisors, the direct advisors and investors of this is the pseudo-Mexican Christian Illuminati that then invested money in the Indian companies. As well they are they are the advisor, for example, of Clinton. So to invest the money in Mexico and to have the money invested in the Indian companies in India and having them in the United States. So they are totally control the IT, even the interviews processes for IT are done directly in India. There's no anymore done in United States using my technology. What I can offer if Donald Trump won is to give to accelerate the process of the U.S. universities to have this technology that I created for the U.S. and not anymore for these elites, you Christian Illuminati elite. So it's something that I can do so we can improve the processes and completely replace this diabolic system created by them with this Babylonian secret knowledge. So it's necessary to do it because these guys they are controlling with call centers in United States using Indian people to have our jobs in United States. So this is totally ridiculous. But it is not it is the start of the process. This is only IT and accounting at this time, but this is going to be in all kind of jobs. So we're going to have a lot of foreigners. They control totally the IT and accounting jobs using big data. So they have all our information, and at the end of the process, they have the jobs for foreigners. So we need to do something about it at this time, and we have to work together to get rid of these guys and send them back to India because they are destroying us. Okay, so we have low salaries, we have unemployment, etc. And if you see, they are controlling totally the IT in banks, in government, in corporates, using only their education level is only high school. Okay, so it is necessary that our university gra- graduated can have this kind of jobs right away. Because in other way, we're going to continue with this system that doesn't increase the productivity, efficiency, and effectiveness as we used to have. So if we continue with that, we are going to be replaced by China, Israel, and Switzerland. It's unbelievable, the situation. So I sent this video to Donald Trump to be considered my offer. Thank you very much for listening. I hope that you like this program. God bless you.